Hey everyone, I'm Gil at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about growing herbs and spices. And some of you are saying, we're coming into winter, it's a little late to be planting this stuff. Grow it indoors. That's what I want to talk to you about. You can grow certain herbs and spices indoors and you get a double benefit from it. By growing certain things indoors, you wind up with the herbs and the spices, but you also get a natural potpourri, making the house smell better from the plant growing in the pot or in one of those aero gardens or however you're going to do it. So think about it. Is this something you might want to grow indoors just to experiment with to see if you can grow it? Because time may come when you may not be able to pick this stuff up at the store because the stores will be closed. All right, so one other thing before I take off, actually several other things before I take off. One, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Two, stay safe. Don't go out do anything foolish. Three is keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Learn to grow something more. And the other thing is, if you have friends, family, coworkers, neighbors that know you are prepping, that you're storing stuff up, try to get them to do likewise. Try to, if they say, I don't want to be a prepper, just simply ask them, do you have life insurance? Oh, so you're prepared for a death. Do you have car insurance? Do you have homeowner's insurance? Oh, you're prepared for that. So you are a bit of a prepper anyways. And just get them to say, just add some more food to your supplies, because you never can tell when something's going to happen and the store's going to run out of something temporarily, and there's going to be, panic, stores are running out, and everybody's going to be running to the store to try to get toilet paper and whatever else they are really running out of. All right, so I'm going to put some links up here for you to use to share with those people. I'm going to put Camp Patton up over here, Prepping for Beginners, Prepping in Private, and another playlist down here you might be interested, another video down here you might be interested in. But you can share these two over here out to your friends that are leery, sitting on the fence about getting prepped, okay? All right, take care, get them prepped, because you don't want to wind up like this.